Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Office version and signing into the Microsoft account tied to the license. This is crucial because activation methods differ. Once signed in, open any Office app and go to Account to see activation status. Make sure your subscription shows as active or your product key is available. If not, retrieve the key from your purchase confirmation. This saves time and prevents wrong steps later, so verify account, key, and connection before moving on. Now perform the activation. Sign into Office with the verified Microsoft account, then select Activate Product or enter your 25-character key. If you have an Office 365 subscription, choose the subscription and click Install or Activate. This links the license to your account. If activation fails, run the built-in Office repair. Control Panel programs Microsoft Office change Quick Repair, because repair reinstates licensing files. Once done, finish by restarting your computer and opening an Office app to confirm product activated in account. If you still see unlicensed messages, sign out of all Office apps, open Credential Manager or Keychain, and remove stored Microsoft credentials, then sign back in to force reauthentication. If that does not work, note any error codes and contact Microsoft support with your account email and code. They can relink licenses. A common tip: check date/time and proxy settings. Incorrect system time often blocks activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.